Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 Active. So this car we originally sold from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's free to tax, and some of its features include DAB digital radio, there's Bluetooth connectivity, air conditioning and a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1 litre petrol engine that gives you 68 horsepower. It's done under 20,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.